massive structure hangs suspended. This is a colony of Apis dorsata, the giant honeybee. Thousands of workers cling together, forming a living protective layer around their single, exposed comb. They maintain this cohesion through a behavior known as festooning. Worker bees interlock their legs to form chains, creating a tensile mesh that secures the colony against the wind. This curtain is active and dynamic. Individual bees adjust the angle of their wings to circulate air, precisely regulating the temperature for the sensitive brood developing deep within. On the rough bark nearby, a solitary figure emerges. It is a scout of Oecophila smaragdina, the weaver ant. Her antennae sweep the surface, detecting the faint chemical signatures left by the hive. The scout tests the perimeter. She uses her mandibles to probe the wax deposits and even the legs of the outer guard bees, assessing the density of the defense. The guard bees detect the pressure. They orient towards the disturbance, raising their forelegs and vibrating their antennae to signal an alert to the immediate cluster. The scout returns with reinforcements. Following a pheromone trail laid by the scout, a column of weaver ants advances along the branch, moving directly toward the hive's resources. The predation attempt begins. The ants bite the legs and wings of the surface bees, attempting to pull individual workers away and break the festooning chains. The wall withstands significant tension, but as workers are forcefully removed, small gaps appear in the protective curtain, momentarily exposing the vulnerable comb within. In response, the colony activates a coordinated defense mechanism. Thousands of bees flip their abdomens in a synchronized sequence, creating a visual ripple known as shimmering. This rapid motion disrupts the visual tracking of the predators. Confused by the shifting pattern, the ants hesitate, unable to target individual bees effectively. For intruders that penetrate the outer layer, the defense becomes thermal. A cluster of bees surrounds the ant and vibrates their thoracic muscles, generating lethal heat that eliminates the threat. The raid loses momentum without a breach. The weaver ants disengage and retreat along the branch, leaving the hive structure secure. Worker bees immediately repair the disturbance. They pull their legs together, closing the gaps and re-establishing the continuous surface of the curtain. Order is restored. The colony returns to a state of quiet vigilance, a massive structure suspended in the fading light.